Welcome back to Overheat, Integra Motorhome 2026. Beautiful and practical outside aerodynamic design, it has a sleek, futuristic appearance in addition to being aerodynamic. Large windows along the sides of the body that may include smart privacy capabilities and UV coating that can be adjusted to a specific darkness level are known as panoramic windows. Adaptive LED lighting, LED headlights that can change their brightness and orientation based on the state of the road. Huge external storage space. There is a sizable, conveniently located cargo storage space underneath. High-tech, luxurious interiors, superior materials, high-end materials with opulent finishes, including solid wood. Energy-efficient multi-zone induction cooktop and gourmet kitchen. Microwave convection oven. Combination, large freezer and refrigerator, a built-in small dishwasher, pull-out faucets and two stainless steel sinks, lots of storage space in cabinets and drawers with soft close locks, king-size or queen-size bed with a high-quality memory foam mattress, ambient illumination that can be changed, cozy living space, comfortable chair or sofa with a backrest that may be adjusted, smart lighting and LED lighting system that can be completely customized to provide mood and task lighting. Advanced technology and performance of engines, hybrid or electric engine options. In keeping with sustainability trends, the 2026 Integra Motorhome might come with a plug-in hybrid or even an all-electric engine option. Advanced drivetrains, rear-wheel drive or WD for highway stability or four-wheel drive for WD for light off-road performance may be available. Advanced security features include GPS tracking, alarm systems, and possibly even biometric door locks. Advanced driver assistance systems ADAS, stop and go. Functionality and adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning and lane keeping assistance. Autonomous emergency braking that detects cyclists and pedestrians. Blind spot monitoring. A 360-degree camera system makes parking and moving around simple. Parking helper that operates automatically.